Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the AC Fuji Electronic, and what is the problem? The problem is leakage, very congested area. Now it's a pressure of 140. This is the cover for heating absorb. Red cover for compressor only. We will put 410A fluorone gas and made from India. Only use Indian product. This is the head cover. And the best AC in the world, Fujitsu. It's never problem coming this machine. After the long time, the 12 years, 10 to 12 years coming leakage only. Even the PCB is not changed. This is the original piece, never changed. Very good machine from Japan. After fix, we'll show you if it's working or not. All covers. So this is the machine. We are done. 22 temperature already. It's working our compressor. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Take care.